Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Takenori Tamura from IHI Power Systems Japan. It is a great honor to be given this opportunity to speak to you today. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce our products and services for tugboat and offshore support vessels. And the main subject of the presentation is our green ship technologies, including dual fuel engine. This presentation is divided into 5 sections. Well then, let me start to talk from first section. This is Niigata history. In 1919, Niigata developed and built its first original marine diesel engine in Japan. 50 years later, Niigata developed its first original azimuth thruster, Z-Pera. Company name is IHI Power Systems. However, we are often called as Niigata or IPS in general. Niigata is one of the leading design and builder of the reciprocating and gas turbine engines for marine power plants and locomotives. In the marine field, IPS supplies Z-Pera as the best propulsion package for tugboat and offshore support vessels. Of course, our products are used for other types of ships, such as fishing vessels and cargo ships. These are our production base and head office location in Japan. Our main production plants are in Niigata, Ota, and Aioi. All our products are assembled in these Japanese factories. Next, I'll then talk about Z-Pera delivery record and support system. This picture shows our worldwide network. Local offices are in South Korea, Netherlands, Singapore, Philippines, and China. And there are many agents in Asia Pacific region. We can provide prompt service to all over the world. This is a graph to show the yearly delivery record of Z-Pera. We delivered 5,306 units of Z-Pera in total. This graph shows global market share of azimuth thruster for azimuth stand drive tug and offshore support vessels. Niigata has about 30% of the market share in 2019. As you can see, Z-Pera is one of the main azimuth thruster in the world. This graph shows the number of Z-Pera units in operation by country. You see that Z-Pera is selected in Asia Pacific region, including Malaysia. In this region, Niigata is top azimuth thruster manufacturer. Our strong point is single responsibility for propulsion system. We handle these products: main engine, flexible coupling, intimate shafts, Z-Pera, control device, and monitor device for propulsion system in a single bundled package. Customers do not need to worry about mismatch in propulsion system, be it capability, capacity, or performance, and so on. And we can also realize various requests such as board pull and vessel speed for the propulsion system. Customer support is also handled as single responsibility. Customers don't need to call many manufacturers for service. This table shows our propulsion package. The left side column shows board pull values of a package, and the middle columns show main engine model, engine speed, and rating power, and the right side columns show Z-Pera model. For fixed pitch propeller, middle range power packages from 40 tons to 80 tons are popular for harbor tugboats. Higher range power package from 70 tons to 19 tons are popular for offshore support vessels and anchor handling tugboats. For control pitch propeller, the board pull values of package are from 45 tons to 110 tons. So I just talked about our support and the delivery record of Z-Pera. Thirdly, I'll then talk about technical support at training center. This picture shows our training center in Ota Factory, Gunma Prefecture, which takes about 2 hours from Tokyo by train. This picture is a training space at the first floor. These are some actual machines used for the training. In detail, middle speed engine 6L22HX, gear fuel engine 6L28HDF, azimuth thruster Z-Pillar 41CP. Various training is possible such as parts disassembly and assembly training. The training center has not only has engine and Z-Pillar training spaces, but also various facilities as shown in these pictures. Actually, many owners have been trained and received their certificates as our approved engineers in the training center. Okay, that's all I wanted to say about our technical support. Fourthly, I'd like to talk about dual fuel engine. Global environmental problems such as greenhouse gas, photochemical smoke, and acid rain are getting more and more serious. These are current and upcoming regulations for the above problems. These regulations, especially these in red wording, are important for the shipping industry. Therefore, green ship technologies are necessary for the industry's future. LNG is a leading candidate as a clean fuel of the near future. As you can see, the LNG has superior potential as a future fuel source. Our dual fuel engine, Niigata 6L28HXDF, uses LNG as a main fuel. This graph shows NOx regulation tier. In gas operation, when this engine uses LNG as a fuel, amount of NOx emissions satisfies tier 3. This table shows main specifications. Diesel oil is also used as a pilot fuel. This dual fuel system realizes high response speed for tough situations. Perhaps you worry that calorie of LNG is less than diesel oil and response speed of gas engine is slow. Also, perhaps you worry that this dual fuel engine cannot apply to rapid load bearing situation of tugboat. Let me say result. You don't need to worry. Left side graph shows diesel oil combustion mode of the dual fuel engine. Right side graph shows gas combustion mode of the dual fuel engine. Let's compare with each graph. You can see that the response speed performance of each mode are almost the same. Let's turn to the delivery record of our dual fuel engine. Left side picture are tugboats equipped with Niigata dual fuel engine. This table shows delivery record of Niigata HXDF. Operating time of some tugboats are over 10,000 hours. That means these tugboats are equally used as the typical tugboat having diesel engine. This table shows model lineup of HXDF. HXDF have wide power range. So, I explained our dual fuel engine. Finally, I'll talk about green ship technology. Our dual fuel engine itself is able to satisfy Tier 3 regulation. However, it is possible to satisfy the regulation for diesel engine by being applied SCR system. We also handle SCR system devices. As an environmental regulation for specific area has been issued in recent years, we believe demand of SCR system is going to increase in near future. We have been approaching and handling electrical drive system. We delivered diesel electric hybrid system for tugboat in 2013. This is first tug with diesel electric hybrid system. We also handle electric propulsion system. For another important approach, we are developing ammonia hybrid combustion system. Normally, quite a lot of carbon oxide gas generated by burning fuel oil. Ammonia is carbon-free molecule. However, it is difficult to burn steadily because combustion temperature range is narrow. Niigata has a strong point about knowledge and technologies for dual fuel combustion system. Applying to dual fuel system to ammonia diesel hybrid, amount of carbon oxide gas emission can be reduced. That's all I wanted to say about our green technologies in this talk. These are our customers in Malaysia. Thank you for your attention. This is contact information.